Okay, go ahead.
VA, slang eh. Di ba slang? Putang ng slang eh.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
VA, Miss Alegre.
Oh,
Then, we go there.
What comes next?
There's a celebration over there.
Yes, okay.
Birthday of the other bakla.
Oh, the other Bakle.
And who is that one?
And then,
What's
you know
the
that...
name? Do I know
Jomar
the person?
Lazaro?
Lazaro, you know that bakla is
Jomar Lazaro?
I don't want to, I don't know the person. Well,
Okay.
just
Just
disregard
leave
that
it.
one.
Alright,
Okay,
go.
just disregard that one.
Then after that,
Okay, go.
we met each other.
Then?
When we're drinking, then sabi,
I don't want to, what does it mean by sabi niya?
you don't know that?
Yes, because I don't understand what it's saying. Could you please speak it just in English, pure English, because I don't understand what you
Okay. You're so beautiful.
Am I talk? Are you telling
That
word with
duck.
me? Okay, well, thank you so much.
That Doc told me, you're so beautiful.
Oh well, congrats. Oh, go ahead.